Hello, it's me again. I'm back with another shabby chic journal share. This was another custom order, and I did the mason jar lid photo thing again. This time I put some glitter in her hair, and I just did a whole bunch of layering of vintage things, and oh, I just love these so much. Put some rosettes on the spine and this on the top and lace on the bottom. It's not a tuck, it's just the lace. And let's go inside if I can do it here. And the trims are from just some vintage trims, some pom-pom trims, some I got off of Wish, and yeah, I did some stickling on the flowers and the butterfly, and I think that's it on the front. Got this little love right here, and I sewed all around it, and this measures, I believe, again, I think they are, if I can do this right, yeah, 9 by 6 1/4. And inside, I just put some cardstock out of my stash and did a little vintage lace fabric and trim there. And I just collaged on this guest check, which I will find the video I seen on that and post it below. And just a tag and these two pieces of ephemera, and I think that is Dreams, etc. And did a little stamping. Everything's coffee dyed. A lot of Dreams, etc. in this one. Beautiful kit. I will link her below. Just some little pieces of ephemera. I did some Patricia pockets on this side. And just stuffed it with, made a little pocket right here. Put little Tim Holtz in there. And this is a little tag. This one I think I got off of Pinterest, and that one I'm not sure. And this is Tim Holtz paper right here. That's my stamping, some tissue paper, some Artie Mays' little tickets, and I will link her below as well. Music paper, some pretty paper out of my stash. The envelope, this is from Denise's shop, Tattered Dream, and this is Artie Mays' paper, DigiKit. I just had an extra piece, so I made a tag out of it, and this image is off of Pinterest. And over here, these are both Artie Mays, and I can't remember what kit, I think it's the Rose kit. I have to go check that out. And this is one of my envelopes I made. And I just did some collaging on there. And inside, I just put this journaling card. I think that's all, yep. And this is the other side. I love making these. They're so fun. Super fun. And I just clip that back on and tuck these in there. Doily, just some little roses, pretty paper, a little side tuck. This is Artie Mays, and so is this. And this was in my stash, and I don't remember where that came from. Some little flips, a little flip down with some layering on there. And then this one I sewed and backed with coffee dyed paper, and this is Artie Mays. And Artie Mays' Dragonfly kit, I do know that. Dreams, etc. And this is just extra coffee dyed paper folded as an envelope, and I just tuck that in there. The envelope I made, and I have these two journaling cards inside. On this side, Dreams, etc., some pom-pom trim, Artie Mays. Over here, I just put a little paper clip right there, and this is a little flower from Recollections, and it's just a little booklet and under here for extra journaling. This is Artie Mays, I believe. Off of Pinterest. And over here we have these two journaling cards. And in here, this one actually got laid on my ink pad and sucked up a bunch of ink, but I just left it because I thought it looked kind of cool like that. So I still used her. And I think it looks kind of vintage. So I stuck her in here. Another little flip. And this is a little fabric pocket right there with some Tim Holtz ephemera. And here is Dreams, etc. Love those, gorgeous. And then these two. And over here, this is one of those little heart paper clips. I will link the video. Hers are shaped different, but I had these two heart punches, so I made this one. Oops, sorry. And I will link her video below on how to do that, because she's so amazing. I will definitely have to find that and link that below. If it's not there right away, it will be there within a day or so. And here is another envelope that I made. And I super love these. They're so cute. This one has nothing in it. This is Artie Mays. Another little tuck spot with some layering. Artie Mays. Another one of my envelopes. Nothing in that one. Beautiful paper. And another envelope. This one I cut the top off and used it as a flip tip in. And it's got this postcard inside, which I love. I will link her Etsy shop below where I got that as well. And that envelope just tips in. A decorative bag, and it flips out. I just sewed it in. And journaling card inside. And this is off of Pinterest. And I will link the lady I seen do these little windows. Super cute. I linked her in my last couple videos, but I will link her again in this video showing you how to do these. They are so fun and so cute. Love those peekaboo things. And the back page, I just put this really cute vintage trim and some extra paper folded like envelope. Dreams, etc. And these two. And that is my latest shabby chic custom journal that I made. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing to my channel. And if you already have, thank you so very much. And have a great day. Bye-bye.